As well as inserting pictures, you can also insert text. To insert text, go Insert, Text box. Underneath this, I'm just going to put the words nurse. Okay. And then I'm going to insert my text box again. Insert, text box. And draw. So you draw by left clicking and dragging. And Gardy, spelling this wrong, but okay. And then again, you want to insert another text box. Insert, go to the text box, hover down, left click, hold, drag, release. Okay. So now you have 3 text boxes. I'm going to add some animation to this. Okay. So I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to Animations. And I'm going to go to Appear. And I'm going to Appear on Click. I'm going to click on Guard. I'm going to go to Animation, Appear, on Click. I'm going to Firefighter, Animation, Appear, and make sure that here it's on Click. Okay, you'll see that I've got 1, 2, 3. So imagine I am doing a class. I'm going to show you what the slide will look like. So I go to Slideshow, and I just go for this current slide. And I go, okay, guys, so these are jobs that have uniforms. Do you know what these jobs are? So this woman here, what do you think she does? They might say doctor, they might say dentist, they might say healthcare professional, or they might say nurse. And they go, yes, that's right, correct, nurse. And then you hit enter and the word nurse appears so that they can then write it down if they don't know the spelling of that. And what about the middle person? What do you think she does? They might say, security, police, etc. Yes, she's a member of the Gardaí. The Gardaí wear uniforms. And what about the third person? What do you think she does? And they might say different things, but again, firefighter is the correct. So yes, nurses, Gardaí, firefighters, they all wear uniforms. And then you might ask them to come up with different words or different occupations that have uniforms that you can then write on the board, or you can put it on the white screen. So that's how you use animations. To get back to the regular screen, you just press escape. Okay, so they're the animations we've added to this slide. That is how you work with animation.